Hello you magical beings, and welcome back to the Bohemian Magic Studios YouTube channel. This July, I would like to cordially invite you to my Magickal Mermaid Month, where I will help you celebrate the powerful mer-goddess that you all have within yourselves. I will guide you through a series of creative activities to help you tap into your inner mer-power and help you celebrate life in mermaid style. Together, we'll create a meditative mermaid altar where you can showcase all your favorite dinglehoppers, thingamabobs, and underwater treasures. Does this actually work? We'll also make some homemade decor to place on here, including these adorable salt dough sea ornaments, which I will show you how to bake, paint, and style to your mermaid liking. And we can't forget our calming altar sea salt recipe, complete with essential oils, seashells, and floral embellishments. Oh, and my July month of Mer Madness would not be complete without the help of my good friend Litha Rose, formerly known as Ellie Brusha, the Mer Priestess. She has some beautiful insight into water goddesses and correspondences that we just cannot wait to share with you. All of these magical videos will be available right on this channel for you to follow along with. I will release one mermaid video per week throughout the month of July, so if you want in on this fun, definitely make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You can also sign up for my mailing list for email reminders every time a new video is posted. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram for more daily mermaid fun throughout the month of July. I'm looking forward to seeing you really soon. Thanks for watching!